Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you how to transfer a scene from Twinmotion to Unreal Engine 5. We'll take a basic, more complicated scene. Go to the Home panel, select Learning, click on Materials Room. Let's take a look around the Materials Room in Twinmotion. Now let's export this scene. Click File, Export to Datasmith. Select the first option. While the export is running, let's go to Epic Games, the link in the description. You need to install the plugin Twinmotion Content, exactly content. Pay attention. Please note that for August 2023, the last supported version is 5.1. Click Install. I already have it installed. While the export is happening, let's create a project in Unreal Engine. Let it be a game third person, no difference. Any name. Go to Settings, Plugins. In the search, write Datasmith, select Datasmith Importer, and below Datasmith Twinmotion Content. After that, we press Restart. We are all set, awaiting export. Export ready. The output is one file and one folder with date. Let's see the total size of the scene. Size is just our 1 GB. Let's import the scene into Unreal. I don't recommend it importing using the drag and drop method. Let's do it right. Create the data folder first. Then click on the plus sign, select Datasmith, File Import, write the file name, select the data folder, leave everything default and import it. So the import was successful. Let's select any object and press the F key to get closer to it. The process of loading materials is underway. We can delete the base scene in Outliner. We see a strong backlight. So in the Outliner, let's turn off some of the light source in the scene. Excellent transfer result.